Rightio, welcome back. Yeah, literally today, I'm gonna start pulling all this stuff off. I need to change the grip for my trans brake, and then I need to put in another window selector piece for that. So my gearbox is reverse pattern, so I need to go park, reverse, neutral, first, second, third. Whereas this one, it's park, reverse, neutral, drive, second, first. So I'll do that. I'll set yours up somewhere and I'll put yours on a time lapse. We're going to do that, and then we're going to move from that into there to rip that one out and then put that one in, and then I may need another set of hands because I can't remember whether I nut and bolted that shifter or I nut certed it. I can't remember. It was over 10 years ago. So I'm going to start this video by fucking around with that, and then I'll worry about the rest of it. So yeah, tune along, boys. Tune along, you know. Tune along. I actually like the look of that, eh? Ready to go racing. Yeah, the button itself slots into over here, which makes it look nice and neat. Need to find the right Allen keys to pull the side apart too, because it's got the neutral safety switch already in there. So this has already got one, but yeah, obviously I need to wire up the trans brake and that as well. And yeah, but I actually think it's a fucking banger of a shifter. That there was alright. I thought I would have had to pull all this shit off, but I didn't. Literally undo them 4 bolts, slide that plate out, it's in there, and then slide the new one in. So yeah, and then same with the button. Like it lock. Beautiful. And then you go to neutral and you can't go any further. Bang, reverse, park. I like it a lot. Right, so the clip before, I put all my trans brake button, all that sort of stuff in, ready to rock and roll. Come out this morning and then I remembered, cool, I've done all that, but I still had to strip the fucking thing so then I can mount it to the floor. So that is currently what we're looking at. Literally just going to go inside the car now, try and set yours up somewhere, and I'll just start pulling shit apart. Possibly jack the car up as well, and that way I can see underneath it, and fingers crossed I can get to the bolts. If it's nut and bolted, which I'm pretty sure it is. You know, I have my hopes up thinking that I've nut certed it, but I don't reckon I did. But yeah, we'll play it by ear, and we'll go with whatever happens, really. That's all we can do, so let's do it. Oh, that hurt! Motherfucker, that hurt! Oh, it's spinning. And alright, so all that shit's off. It is nutted and bolted, so I can't even pull the fucking thing out. I definitely think it's cable. Yeah. Like, now it wants to go back because there's no cable attached to it, but all in all, that was a banging shifter. I liked it, but I've got a new one now and we're going to deal with that. I'm literally just going to leave my neutral start wires there, my trans brake there for now, because when the new shifter's in, I'll just use that wiring. With there, I'll go back to there somewhere and then put the new trans brake into that. I'll make it come out the hole that's at the front of the new one, and yeah. And I smashed my fucking my thumb on that when I was trying to undo it. It fucking hurt. So, I suppose I better jack this fucking thing up, eh? Rightio. So we ended up getting the old shifter out the other night. It was Anzac Day we got it out. So a couple of boys come round. We had a few tins and that for my birthday. As you can see, there's a heap in the bin. But yeah, while they were here, they were like, "Oh, well, fuck it, we'll rip your shifter out while we're here." So yeah, it's literally just 4 bolts. Yeah, had someone in the car, someone was under the car getting the nuts off it, but I reckon what I'm going to do today is set this one up roughly where I want it, the new one, mark the holes, center punch them, drill them, and I reckon I'm going to nutsert them just so then it's easier for me to do on my own. So yeah, I'll prop these up in the car. Actually, I'll clean them cans away first, and then I'll set these up in the car, and yeah, we'll figure out what we need to do to mount it. But this is the old cable, so like it's not moving at all, so it's like fully stuck. So yeah, throw that in the bin, don't need him anymore. Rightio, so I've propped it up roughly where I want it. As you can see, where the carpet isn't is how small the other shifter was compared to this one. So I've set it in roughly, marked the carpet, and I'm going to have to get a blade to cut that carpet away, and we'll be able to mark it and then set it up. Rightio, so cut a heap of carpet out. Wasn't really a lot, really, but that's roughly where it's going to sit. Marked a couple of holes, and yeah, we'll mark them out, drill them, and then I've got to try and find some rib nuts for it. Right, so I went to Bunnings and I got some rib nuts, I got some new bolts, as well as a couple of other things just for the shed. I've had to drill my holes a little bit bigger, so they're at 9.5 I think. So I'll set these up there, up on my mount, face it down or something, and I will put these rib nuts in, and fingers crossed I've put it in the right spot. If not, well, we're gonna have a fucking few holes in the floor. But who gives a fuck, eh? We don't care. So, that one goes in, that one does, and so does that one. Now this one right here, it's not exactly going to turn because it's hitting on that. So, I'm just going to drill another one here. Nuts out that one, and then I'll go, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I'll get the drilling hole. Rightio, it is all bolted in, ready for fucking racing. You got park, another park, reverse, neutral, first, second, third. So, yeah, I like it. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Right, so, whoa, fuck, we've got a bit going on in here. I'm not going to film a lot like this because I want to finish off my shifter, and it's pissing down rain outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's raining. So, yeah, we're going to mount the shifter, which we've done, but I need to pull it out to run my cable through. So yeah, run my cable, mount the shifter, plumb it to where it needs to go, make it all nice and tidy. Rightio, so I didn't film fuck all today, so it's all mounted in, shifter cable's done, trans brake is hooked up, so yeah, pretty much now I'm going to leave that side panel off because I need to make sure that the neutral safety is hooked up right once the loom's back in, and then yeah, once that's done we should be right to test everything for power, make sure stuff's working and all that type of shit. So yeah, that's a bit better. But yeah, once all that's done, that's it. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. Yeah, but I think it looks way better than the old one. So, and I've got to wire in a light for that too, for the display. So, which is pretty simple, just a positive and negative, but I'll need to do that when the loom's back. So, yeah, I'll leave it at that. You know, this video has been a very long time coming, considering I started this in fuck April. So, and that was my birthday weekend. So, what are we now? August, July. So, yeah. Fuck, 3 months to do a shifter, fuck me dead. Oh well, I've had other things going on, so yeah. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.